Hey there, I'm Britt, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we're over here in Panama City. Can't wait to show you this great buy of a 4-bedroom home. Come check it out. Hey there, check out this great value home over in Panama City. Love the location. You're in a neighborhood with no HOA restrictions. You are a short drive to historic St. Andrews. You can get to Gulf Coast State College or the hospitals, shopping, anything you need, and just a short drive over to the world's most beautiful beaches as well. Can't beat this location. Another great selling point to this home is there's a huge backyard. You've got your very own, very spacious storage shed. You can put the lawnmower in, the beach toys, anything you need. Almost a 1/4 acre of backyard, so plenty of space. The flooring throughout, no carpet throughout, so you don't have to worry about that. Makes for easy cleanup. One of my favorite features of the home is the kitchen. Very spacious, leads into a dining room nook with gorgeous farm doors offsetting, and you've got nice cabinetry, plenty of space. Make sure you check it out. If you like what you saw, make sure you click on the links below. It's there, you'll find extra photos, details, who to call if you want to check it out yourself. And make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any great finds like this one.